Hi, this is Jared Wilson with San Diego Housing Blog. I am over here today at a condo in the Ocean Beach area. The address on this one is 4407 Temecula Street, and it's unit number 392107. Just a little bit about this complex. There's actually 3 units in here on the market. This building was constructed in 1971, and this particular unit is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It's currently having some work done to it, as you can see, but it's being done very nicely. So there's no countertops yet, but they're going to be putting granite in. So I'll go ahead and take you around and show you this unit that we have for sale. Kitchen, these are custom maple cabinets, travertine flooring here, and stainless steel appliances throughout, although they're kind of scattered around the unit at the moment. And then this is the living room and the entryway here. Looks like they got some laminate flooring in. Now, square footage on this unit is 884 square feet. It's currently listed at $215,900. Was listed on December 3rd, 2010. So we'll take a look at the hallway bath. Just so you know, the last sale price on this condo was in 2005, and it sold for $481. So quite a drop in value here, as we've seen, all over San Diego County. This here is the master. Sorry about that beeping. The fire smoke detector needs to have the battery changed. But the bathroom here, check this bathroom out. It's beautiful. Tile flooring, glass enclosed, fully enclosed shower. And of course, granite slab and maple vanity. We'll go ahead and make our way into the second room. And for a second room, this is actually a nice sized room here. I'll just kind of pan around for you. So if you're interested in taking a look at this unit, or you have any questions, feel free to give me a call at 858-336-8677, or check out my blog at www.sandiegohousingblog.com. I'll probably do another follow-up video when this unit's complete, just to show you how the finished product looks. But that's it for now. Thanks for taking a look.